The holidays are here. Create your own string light Christmas tree with just a few easy steps. It's easier than you might think. Make sure you have the following tools and materials. Choose your base, like a wooden plank or interior door from Koiman. Place your first nail right in the center of the plank. That becomes the tip of your tree. Then set 2 nails at equal height on both sides below it to form the base width. Tie a string around one of the nails and guide it around the outline to form a triangle. Then add nails along both sides. Even spacing helps your lights hang evenly. Now it's time for the magic. Start attaching your string lights from the lowest nail closest to the outlet and work your way up towards the top. If you have extra length of string lights, simply follow the same path back down. Remove the outline string, plug it in, and let it glow. Your very own do-it-yourself string light Christmas tree, ready for the holidays.